Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to lasso fill. So if you want to lasso fill, you can go to the fill tools, click at these icons, and then you can click the lasso fill. First you need to select for the color, like I will set into red color. You can click, hold to create lasso, release to create lasso fill. You can go to the tool settings. You also can increase for the opacity here. So I will use the maximum, or you can click at these icons to change the opacity. You can click again to create lasso fills like this. I will decrease for the opacity, set the color to green color, and you can draw with the lasso fill. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to lasso fill.